Elevate your coffee experience with a captivating espresso martini. This isn't merely a beverage, it's an exhilarating journey. Imagine a shot of dark, luscious espresso, its rich aroma swirling in the air, stirring your senses awake. Next, add a splash of vodka for that electrifying burst. But wait, there's a thrilling twist. A drizzle of coffee liqueur brings a delightful sweetness and depth. Now, let's dive into the fun. Shake this vibrant mix with ice until it froths and chills beautifully. The anticipation grows as you strain this silky concoction into a chic, gleaming martini glass. What awaits you? A smooth, refreshing cocktail that tantalizes with each sip. Want to elevate it even more? Toss in a hint of vanilla for warmth or a dusting of cocoa for a touch of elegance. This drink is perfect for wowing guests or treating yourself after a hectic day. So, why hesitate? Gather your ingredients and whip up an espresso martini tonight. It's time to sip, enjoy, and cherish every moment. Don't forget to share the joy and subscribe for more delightful cocktail inspirations. Cheers to unforgettable evenings.